Hello everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. For today's tutorial, you will learn how to add highlights on Instagram without adding to story. So let's get started. Open your Instagram app, tap into your profile section, again tap this 3-bar icon on your top right corner, go to settings, tap privacy, scroll down to story. So here is what we are going to do. Tap onto this close friend list, choose a person, so that way you can limit your story. Now add a story, select your story to add a story. Once you get done with your pictures, tap this close friend icon and tap done. That way you can save that photo to your highlights without having to share them with all your followers. Tap onto your story, tap this highlight option, give it a name and add it to your highlight. And this will be it for today. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe for more.